Good evening, Philippines. Good morning, America. So, tonight, what I'm going to do, since that I am already done with regards sa business ng ate ko, nag-acting vendor ako doon. Tumulong ako sa tindahan niya. So, now, panggabi is nagko-call center ako. Nagwo-work ako as a call center agent. So, what I'm gonna do here is, I'm going to set up my laptop for my work. Of course, my stations is very important. Dapat maging on time tayo sa ating trabaho para hindi tayo magra-rush, hindi tayo maghahabol ng oras. So what we're gonna do is, I'm going to set up my station. I'm going to show you how to set up. One moment please. So there. So exactly 9 o'clock, we're going to start to dial over the phone. Then after that, kaya baga ako nagsiset up ngayon kasi I'm going to meet with new trainee and then also for the new agents. I'm going to discuss about the new campaign that we are kung ano man gagawin nila tonight. Kasi mahirap kasi na maghahabol ng oras. That's it. So, let's go. I think that my the new agent is here now already. Just check. Guys, I'm going to meet you with my new agent. So, room ko, dumi-dumi lang room ko, yung table ko, yung galat-galat. But anyway, I don't care about it. So, so gawa mo pa ma-follow up may information ng customer?
Ngayon, pag-follow up ka na.
First name, last name, right?
Yes.
Kinukuha mo pa ba yung address niya?
Oo.
Tinatanong pa, is it still located at ganon? For yung date of birth, tatanong tayo, your date of birth is ganon. Ano ba ginagawa mo?
Minsan. Pero
Minsan.
nagdepende siya sa customer. Kung masungit, hindi ko na
Let go muna, no? Kahit ako din.
Hindi ko na siya.
Or either kitula ng address, diretso mo sa date of
Yes,
birth.
oo.
Tapos transfer, no? So,
Kasi
since that you are perfectly qualified, because based on our records, your medical part is still active. So, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna transfer you now to our licensed agent, since that you are perfect. Ganon ginagawa mo? Kung minsan naririnig ko nga, hold up mo. So, there. Ano ba gusto kong sabihin? Pag sa date of birth, kapihin mo na lang siya, di ba? Magtapos magbe-break. Doon na iba ilagay yung mga date of birth. Madali naman yan, type lang 2023 minus. Ganun lang para hindi ka mag-rush. Kasi kapag gagawin mo, i-copy-paste mo pa yung address, tapos kukuha pa ibang info, malilate ka, di ba? Minsan na, hindi mo na copy yung info. Lagay mo na lang dito sa baba, ha?
Yung isa lang yung hindi ko nakuha yung info, nakalimutan ko yung date of birth niya, yun lang, isa.
Okay, that's it.
Ko na lang siya.
Okay, so that's it. So we are going to meet with new trainee then. Alright? Dumating na yung mga new trainee ko, guys. So I'll show you how we're going to meet them. Hi! Get inside. Daming aso, ha? Ano na?
Not feeling well.
Ikaw? Sino makasama mo? Hi, come on, get inside. Tibo? Tibo?
Ha?
Tibo? Tomboy?
Oo.
Okay.
Halsey! Hello! How are you?
Not feeling well yung isa, no?
Ha?
Not feeling well. Ito yung mga new trainee, guys. So, they are going to undergo my supervision. So, later tonight, what time exactly now? 8:51. So, we have 8 minutes remaining before to start my duty. So, anyway, guys, we're going to stay here sa may, sa station ko. How young are you anyway?
25.
Nakita na ba tayo before? Not yet.
Hindi, ano lang.
Okay, where are you living?
Kapit-bahay ko.
Kapit-bahay mo? I see. I thought that she... Is she your cousin then? I see. Alright, mag-undergo sila sa training tonight. Dala mo laptop mo?
Wala.
Okay, it's okay. Anong RAM ang laptop mo?
Acer.
Brand yung Acer. Anong RAM?
4i3.
Anong RAM siya? Mga 8 RAM? 6
Oh,
RAM? 8?
2022 na release to siya.
Baka mga 8 RAM, Tingnan natin.
500G.
Magkabili mo?
28 na.
Mga 8 RAMs yan. Alright, halika. Ipakilala ko sa iyo yung new agent here. Hi! Halika. Are you going to meet me with the new agent? Ito si Carmina. Bakla. Yan, si Carmina. Siya yung magiging, di ba, magpapasok din ako ulit ng tao, di ba? Kasi nag-chat si Miss sa akin.
Same po doon sa headset niyo na order.
Yan, oh.
Oo.
Hindi naman yan advisable eh.
Order ako ng bago.
Nag-order ako ng bago ko sa to.
Oo nga kasi ano.
So, okay lang yun. But since na wala pa, hindi ka pa nakakapagsimul.
Nag-order ko headset battery na to. Nag-order ko.
Yun. So, iti-training ko siya tonight. Then after that, they are going to start they are going to start to work after the training. I don't know. Depends sa performance niya. Depends kung paano siya mag-absorb ng topic. And with regards sa campaign, kung talaga maganda siya deal with the customers. But anyway, thank you guys and good night Philippines. Good morning America. Bye for now.